Welcome to all. In this video, we will see about DNA quantification using UV spectrophotometer. DNA is quantified in terms of weight by volume of sample. After purification of DNA, it is generally resuspended in TE buffer or deionized distilled water, and hence the quantity is measured in the unit weight by volume, either microgram per ml or nanogram per microliter. There are different kinds of DNA samples are need to be quantified, such as genomic DNA with very large size and plasmid DNA, PCR products, restriction digested DNA, single stranded DNA, small oligomer DNA. Accurate or near accurate quantity of DNA is necessary to perform several molecular biology experiments, such as for PCR it requires in nanogram levels. For sequencing, based on the different methods of sequencing, the quantity requirement will vary. Similarly, to perform restriction digestion, quantity is necessary to know the how much quantity of gene of interest or DNA fragment and how much quantity of DNA backbone is added and how much restriction enzyme to be added. Similar thing is adapted for ligation also. And performing transformation, the quantity of plasmid is prerequisite, and in case of cloning using restriction digestion and ligation, we have to know the DNA quantity. In addition, several analyses such as molecular marker analysis using DNA based markers. So in all these cases, accurate or known quantity of DNA present in the reaction is necessary. So there is difference between the size of the DNA and quantity of the DNA. The quantity refers how much total weight of DNA present in sample, whereas size of the DNA means the length of the DNA fragment. It is represented at number of base pairs. In general, two methods are followed for quantifying the DNA concentration. First one is spectrophotometry. It is machine based and it will take relatively less time. And another method is called agarose gel electrophoresis. It is a classical method. We can visualize the DNA quality along with calculating the quantity. In this video, we will see about the spectrophotometry method of quantifying DNA. Generally, the nucleic acids, including DNA or RNA, absorb the ultraviolet lights in a wavelength of 260 nanometer, and we know 200 to 400 nanometer lights are ultraviolet wavelengths. When we check their absorbance capacity of DNA under UV light at different wavelengths, the DNA molecule absorb high quantity of light at 260 nanometer compared to other wavelengths, and the capacity to absorb light at 260 nanometer by nucleic acid is 1.8 times higher than its 230 nanometer light absorbance and 280 nanometers light absorbance. So this criteria are considered while quantifying the DNA concentration. Next, we will see how to quantify DNA using spectrophotometry and its basic principles. The nucleic acids absorbs maximum light at 260 nanometer, and according to Beers and Lambert law, the absorbance depends on the concentration of the DNA and the length of the light traveled in the solution. At a constant 260 nanometer wavelength, make the light to travel 1 centimeter of the solution. The absorbance is then directly related to the concentration of nucleic acids present in the solution. Based on this principle, the DNA concentration in the sample will be a variable, and it helps to quantify the DNA. In UV spectrophotometer, the absorption is converted into optical density value, and it is connected to a computer. Computer automatically calculate and convert the optical density value into DNA quantity. A constant factor 50 is added, and this 50 is multiplied with the absorbance OD value to know the concentration of DNA in spectrophotometer. So hence, if we get absorbance value 1, OD is equal to 50 microgram of double stranded DNA present per ml of the sample. So we know different forms of DNA available, and according to types of DNA, the absorbance and its concentration will vary. Double stranded DNA, 50 microgram of DNA per ml concentration will absorb 1 optical density value. 33 microgram per ml of single stranded DNA will absorb 1 OD value of light, and oligonucleotides absorb at the range of 1 OD is equal to 30 microgram per ml. Similarly, RNA will absorb 40 microgram per ml for 1 OD. So hence, we will apply different constant factors to quantify the DNA or single stranded DNA, oligonucleotide or RNA sample. Now we will see the assessment of DNA quality. So based on the DNA absorbance property, the DNA absorbed 260 nanometer light, and it is 1.87 times higher than 260 nanometer and 280 nanometer. And 260 nanometer light is highly absorbed by the aromatic chemical compounds which we are used for purification of DNA sample. Similarly, 280 nanometer light is highly absorbed by the protein molecules. Hence, if we get the absorbance value at 260, 230 and 280, we can identify the purity of our purified DNA sample. If 260 by 280 absorbance ratio is nearly 1.87 means it is free from chemical and DNA is pure. Similarly, 260 by 280 is nearly 1.87 means it is free of proteins. Now we will see the generalized protocol to quantify the DNA under UV spectrophotometer. The first step is we have to turn on the UV spectrophotometer and thaw it and kept in ice. And then if the spectrophotometer is a classical type, it is provided with large size cuvettes and we have to load at least 500 microliter of sample. Under such cases, we take small quantity of the stored DNA into the separate vial and dilute into 50 times or 100 times to obtain 500 microliter. For example, if we take 10 microliter of original DNA sample and dilute with distilled water up to 500 microliter to get 50x dilution factor, and we can use this to load in the cuvette for quantification. Customized spectrophotometer to detect the DNA concentration is available. This requires only a few microliters of sample. Under such cases, directly we load small quantity of our original DNA sample for quantification purpose. The good example is the machine nano drop requires only 1 microliter or 2 microliter sample to quantify the DNA. Now we set up the wavelength in the spectrophotometer and in the cuvette add the TE buffer or distilled water up to 500 microliter and press the blank button. Now the machine make it as auto zero, discard the blank solution and add our sample solution and press the sample button. Now it will show the sample absorbance value. So initially we set to 260 nanometer and we will get the absorbance value. Repeat the steps to get the absorbance value for 230 nanometer and 280 nanometer for qualitative analysis purpose. So once we note down all the absorbance value, follow the vendor instructions and turn off the spectrophotometer and perform the calculation to detect the concentration of DNA sample and its quality. So as a sample calculation, a double-stranded DNA was diluted to 50x and its 260 nanometer absorbance was obtained in a spectrophotometer. The absorbance value is 11.8 and what will be the concentration of DNA present in the original sample. So for that, first thing we have to make note down is dilution factor is 50 and 1 OD means 50 microgram per ml in case of double stranded DNA. So DNA concentration is 50 multiplied by OD value multiplied by dilution factor. So it will be 50 into 11.85, that is equal to 592 microgram per ml, and we have to multiply this value into dilution factor that will give a real concentration in the original sample. Thank you.